just got a little delivery. Good old TST Industries. Just so you guys are aware, these products inside may cause excessive envy. Let's see what we got here. A little TST Industries decal. More decals. Don't want to remember how much I paid for this. There's the exhaust pipe. Oh, sorry about that. The exhaust. License plate bracket. More stuff. And my LED flasher relay. I did the integrated tail lights and turn signals on the front and rear, so that caused what's called hyper flash, where they flash super fast. So this is the cure-all for that. License plate bracket. Let me unpackage this and I'll be right back. Alright, got it all unpackaged here. As you can see, went with the Toce, not really sure how you pronounce it. Went with the T Slash exhaust. Looks pretty neat. Pretty excited to see how this bad boy sounds. I went with the black powder coated mid pipe. Paid a little extra. I think it was worth it. It's gonna make it look good. And I got the license plate bracket specifically designed for the T Slash exhaust. I guess it kind of wedges up in there and makes it look pretty neat. So stay tuned, I'm going to be installing this. We'll take it for a test ride, and we'll do a sound comparison from stock versus this bad boy. So stay tuned, guys. Be right back. Stock exhaust for you. I'm gonna go install this Toce real quick and we'll do a little comparison. Alright, we're back. Got the exhaust installed. Gotta start it up, let you guys hear it. I did already warm it up, took it around the block. So this is a warm start. Haven't really taken it out on the freeway or roads yet, but it's a very unique sound at idle, and about 5,000 RPMs is what I was revving it up to there. Sounds good, sounded good around the neighborhood. So we'll have some highway clips and freeway pulls coming up in the next videos, and pretty sure I'm gonna like this exhaust. So the Toce T Slash on the CBR1000.